Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss that how to calculate weight of a coiled tubing string in pound per foot. So here the question arises that why do we need this calculation? The answer to this question is that whenever we have to lift coiled tubing string, we need to measure its weight. And why do we need to measure its weight? Definitely to ensure that the crane which we are using for lifting coiled tubing string have sufficient capacity that we can lift it safely. So here's the formula which is used to measure pound per foot weight of a coiled tubing string if we are not available with that at that particular point of time. So weight per foot is equal to pound per foot weight is equal to 10.69 into OD minus wall thickness into wall thickness. Here weight in pounds per foot, OD means outer diameter is in inches and wall thickness is also in inches. Now let's check that our formula is working properly. Here we have our technical data sheet provided by GT80. So let's assume that at some particular point of time we are not available with this sheet and we only know that the outer diameter of a particular coiled tubing string and wall thickness. So we can calculate the weight pound per foot weight at that particular time when we are not available with this data sheet. We do know only outer diameter and wall thickness. So here we have calculator. So let's just check for this particular value. Let's say we are using 1.5 inch coil with wall thickness of 0.087. Its pound per foot weight is 1.32, which is in the technical data sheet, and we are assuming that we do not have this sheet and we need to calculate pound per foot weight. Then we will use this formula. So 1.5 minus 0.087 multiplied by wall thickness 0.087 multiplied by 10.69. So it is 1.31, approximately 1.32, which is exactly as 1.32 in the technical data sheet. We can also check for other value. Let's say we are using this 2.375 coil with the 0.125 inch wall thickness. So 2.375 minus 0.125 multiplied by 0.125 multiplied by 10.69. So it is 3.01, which is in the technical data sheet. So we have checked that our formula is working efficiently for any dimension of coiled tubing string. Now let's see that how we have derived this formula. The derivation formula is based on fundamental formula that weight is equal to density into volume, or we can say density is equal to weight per unit volume. So weight is equal to density and volume is actually area multiplied by length. We just rearrange the formula. We have put this length over this weight. So weight per unit length is equal to density multiplied by area. So we have put the steel density 493.5 PCF and area of the coiled tubing string means whole hollow pipe, pi by 4 into OD square minus ID square. And then when we solve this formula, we ended up with this relation 10.69 into OD minus wall thickness into wall thickness. That's it. I am very much hopeful that you got understanding regarding what we have discussed. If you found the value in the video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.